Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to compare and rank up 5 my most favorite employee scheduling softwares on the market today, and we will go from rank 1 to rank 5, and we will try to tell you more about them. We will go and compare the pricing plans, and in the end we'll try to find out which one you should pick up if you be willing to, or if you are looking for one. So let's kick it off with the best in my opinion, which is Monday.com. Monday.com managers can better keep their team aligned from one collaborative workspace. This flexible platform allows you to truly centralize your data, leveraging native integrations, third-party apps, and helpful widgets. With an overview of all ongoing processes, you can quickly gauge the status of essential tasks and follow up with a relevant team member efficiently. Essentially, on Monday.com, executives have the flexibility to build the perfect tools for their team using intuitive drag-and-drop technology. Simply select one of over 200 templates and customize it using the 20 editable columns to support any of your workflows. Then, if your team grows, your workflows can easily scale with you, empowering your team to new heights with complete visibility. Monday.com is meant to be for all the types of the businesses, the large enterprises, small businesses, for freelancers as well. You can run it on PC or mobile, both Android and iOS. When we are going to check the pricing, you see we can go with individual one, which is free forever up to 2 seats, which is great option for you if you are a small company and you don't have that much of a business going on. Then the basic one, which is $8 per seat, but at least you have to go with 3 seats. Then the standard one, most popular, Pro, and if you are the biggest of the companies, the enterprise one will be the one covering all your needs. But in that case, you have to get in touch with them and get them to basically tailor you the option for you. So let's go to my number 2, or even number 3. They are sharing the same second spot, and that's a Trello. Trello organizes your projects and day-to-day tasks through creating note cards on dashboard. The software can also be used as a trip planner, a side project, a community bulletin, an event, or an idea repository. Tasks and ideas can be noted on the Trello cards, alongside the work progress can be also tracked. The user can sort and organize these cards based upon their categories. A quick overview is displayed on the front of the cards, flipping which the user can dive into more detailed information such as checklists, due dates, comments, attachments, etc. There is a progress meter that adds a checklist to organize your to-do list. You can also attach documents and multimedia files to cards. With Trello, it's so easy to go through all the management of your company. It's yet again made for all the types of the businesses, but it's only the app. You don't have to, or you can't basically install it as a software inside of your computer. For that case, I have the pricing for you, which is basically free version up to 10 boards, 1 power-up board, then business and enterprise. As is a good manner, you can always choose between a monthly and a yearly subscription. Also, Trello is vertical, or I'm sorry, it's horizontal based, so you have to basically guess. I'm going to check it out for you, how the Trello looks. That's my Trello account. So as you can see, you can basically horizontally add up all the information that you need to basically view it to your employees and or your staff. So how about ClickUp? ClickUp is a simple cloud-based collaboration and project management tool created for all user types. With ClickUp, you have all the features needed to help simplify and streamline your processes, including sales, marketing, design, and development. ClickUp features an agile board view that allows you to monitor every task on your team in one board and assign tasks to various members of the team. Tasks progress can be viewed in a form of percentage and can be marked either resolved or in progress. Or users can alternatively customize their tasks progress statuses. A Gantt chart lets you view your tasks in timeline by list or persist and automatically add updates in real time. ClickUp organizes tasks management is a hierarchical manner and allows you to sort tasks according to their priority. This property allows for improved productivity and lets you to structure your projects by assigning tasks to groups and arranging those groups under different categories. The software can be seamlessly integrated to Slack and similar apps through Zapier. The machine learning capability of the software assists project managers, give realistic timeframes for completion of projects, and lets teams accomplish their tasks before the deadline. Yet again, the biggest of the advantages is that you can install it on Windows and Mac. Also, you can run it on a mobile phone. It's made for all the types of companies, and it's really really cheap, but it's so beautiful UI wise. To the pricings, you can go with free forever option, unlimited, which is basically $5 per month, or $9 if you are going monthly. So this is like the greatest sale from all of them. 45%, then business plus, and the enterprise that we know is for the biggest of the players on the market. You can't really go wrong with the ClickUp. For me, ClickUp and Monday.com, they are really racing the game for the best on the market. Trello is great as well, but the thing that you can't really install it on your computer makes it really a bit behind. So it's like 2 or 3rd place for it. Let's talk about number 4, which is Wrike. An all-in-one project management tool that helps to organize your complex work easily and flexibly. It is ideal for remotely located teams, mid-sized organizations, and enterprise companies for managing teamwork and communicating with clients. With Wrike collaboration features and customization tools, you will be able to manage teamwork better and finish your work sooner. It helps the team, leads and administrators collecting project requirements, creating and assigning tasks, and visualizing schedules on the Gantt chart. Moreover, each team member will be aware of their work priorities with personal dashboard and real-time work updates so that you'll get an efficient and goal-oriented team. This one is not made for freelancers that much and not so large companies. So if you are a smaller company and you really need to get in touch and feel more like a family in your CRM, the Wrike is the right option for you. But so is the other options, but it's rank 4 because you can't really employ a freelancer's option inside of it. To the pricing, it's not that cheap, but they're really offering a lot of bundles that you can go with. So you can really cherry pick all the needs that you need for your team. They are also really giving you the freemium, which is basically free forever for teams that are getting started. And once you find out that you really want to go with Wrike, you can go professional, business, enterprise, or pinnacle. For the last two of them, you will need to contact the sales. But yet again, it's great software for you and for your company. The last one on my list, but I mean, at our YouTube channel, we came across a lot of CRM programs, and this is really like the best of them. So even if in this case it's number 5, it's still a great product. QuickBooks. QuickBooks Time, especially, formerly T-Sheets, is a time tracking software for business needs. The mobile app used to track, submit, and approve time directly from the app. The software supports online timesheet tracker with GPS capabilities to measure the performance of employees within the hours worked. Collaborate with a team with alerts and can sync schedules with Apple iCall, Microsoft Outlook, and Google Calendar. Generate projects, reports, CSV, Excel, or PDF format. And it's made especially for small and medium companies. And if you really need to basically, go and manage your workers, especially, and really get in touch with them, this is the way. If you're a smaller company and you are really into those things, look no further. The QuickBooks is basically the best option for you if you are on the move, on the go, and that's why it made it to this list. We have in the pricing, you are starting with 20 a month or 40 for elite version. They are not offering, except free option or free trial, any kind of basically like starting bundles or anything. But right now you can go 70% off for 70% off for first 3 months, which is really great option. So that's about it. If you have more questions about these programs, please feel free to ask us underneath this video in the comment section. We'll try to answer all of the questions, and don't forget, the best way is just to try them out for yourselves. All of them provide free options for limited amount of time, like 2 weeks, I believe, for 14 days. And that's the best way how you can grasp the essence of all of them and all the great programs we are showing you today. So if you like the video, leave a like. Thanks for watching, and also don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. Have a great day.